Hi guys, welcome to day 14 of day 30, my 30-day video challenge. And today we're going to do a review on a little product that I use every single day. It's called Screencast-O-matic. It's very economical. It works extremely well if you are doing marketing for customers and so on. I have been doing YouTube videos on it as well. I want to show you the editor that they provide, which is very good. I think it's good, and as I say, it's very economical. But what you can do is upload your videos straight to Screencast-O-matic and then share them with a client. That's primarily how I use the tool. So let's jump in. I'm going to show you a screen recording. I'm actually going to be recording in QuickTime on my Mac, so I can show you the actual recording, if that makes sense. Okay, let's dive in. And as you can see, it's extremely well priced, only $1.65 a month. It's got some great features in it, and it is a screen recording software. Currently I'm doing my YouTube videos in it, but what I mainly use it for is for doing reporting for customers, and I found that over the years they respond better to videos than they do to actually sending out a PDF report. So I do it for all my clients now, and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this is what you get when you first open the app. And you can export these straight to Screencast-O-matic to your account and share them with a customer. So that's sort of similar to Loom. Very powerful way to actually do things. So we'll put the old recording on. I'll just make a recording now. So there I am there. Hello. Oh, just been out the wind. The hair's sticking up. So you can do webcam. Hi. You can do both. I think we've covered that off. There we go. And I've got to move this up. That's why I can't see it. There it is. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Right, let's go and do a recording. So we'll hit record, and that's 3, 2, 1. So that's recording now. I'll just do it for a few seconds and stop it, because all we want to do is actually do the editing. So I'll stop that now and click on done. So you can delete and start over. You can actually put some you can draw on your video as you go. You can click on done, and you can go straight up to YouTube or Screencast or Google Drive, and you can edit as well. So the editor I want to show you, because it's got a lot of good features in it. So here we go, here's the editor. And so what you've got here are the tools. You can cut anything at any time. Let's do that again, cut. You can copy things, you can hide the cursor on the webcam, you can insert new recordings, you can upload videos. You can do existing recordings that are stored on your hard drive from Screencast. What else? You can narrate, you can overlay blur, images within images, shapes, arrows, highlights, text. You can put text in there, and a video. You can replace videos, freeze frames, upload music or sounds from there. They give you a good library of those. Slow the speed up or down, do transitions. You can make a cut and do a transition. And of course you can adjust the volume. Very cool. And over here there's always one that seems to default from what you've chosen previously. So I had text on my last ad, that one, that's why that one's defaulting there. Over here you've got the music again, you've got cursor or webcam, but as you can see it's very straightforward, very simple. So if I want to put in some text there, just click on text, and I can just type there, oops, and do that one there. We can just go and delete it if we want. We'll just go delete, so we get rid of our text. If you want to do things like cut, you could just put the cursor where you want to cut. You can highlight it here, push in, so you go in a bit more, and just go cut, and just cut that piece out if you want. There, go OK, so that's done. If you want to overlay things like a blur, just go overlay blur, and just drag that out to what you want to blur, and you can adjust the blur and do all sorts of things there. Yeah, it is pretty comprehensive. There's a lot of stuff you can do in here. I find it really useful, and the captions over here, it can create captions for you. You can upload your own. There's all that sort of stuff. So it's got everything that the big tools have got, but at very cheap price. So as I said, I've been with these guys for a long time. There probably are bits of better software out there like Camtasia and those other ones, but I think they're sort of $30 a month or sure. I'm not really sure what they are, but this is the one I use. And I am looking to potentially just experiment with a few other ones for my YouTube videos and see if I can get things a bit clearer. This one is good. I mean, it's good enough for the clients and such like, and it's been good enough for the YouTube videos I've done. But I just noticed last night, and it may be because I've got an extra screen now, I'm not sure. But with the new screen, I noticed that some of the wording was just a little bit blurry, and I was recording the screen, which isn't actually, it's a monitor, it's not actually the computer itself. So, yeah, it might have been that, I'm not sure, I need to do some experimenting. So, guys, that is day 14 for you. I hope that's useful to you. I find it really useful for the clients. The clients love it because they get everything explained in a video. They feel, they can understand what I'm saying. I say it in easy terms, and if you put it with the PDF report, I still notice the PDF reports don't get opened, the videos do, and that's sort of why it works so well. Anyway, guys, that is pretty much it for day 14. It's something simple today. I'm running a bit late today because we are renovating at the moment, and I'm juggling a few balls. And I had a very old friend here in Auckland that I had lunch with today. I haven't seen for 15 years, so it's been a fantastic day, but I'm a bit behind schedule. But I hope that was helpful for you anyway, and I will see you tomorrow. Catch you later. Bye.